This pink dice is going to determine how much each one of these gets when I land on it. Everything is going to get 4. Just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am saving with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, and I'm going to put this one bill here. All right, and today I'm doing my roll and save challenges. And this is all a part of my 10K savings challenges. And I'll link the full list below if you want to follow along with the challenge. That is what I'm doing. I'm saving $10,000 this year. So today, I have 2 different dice. This pink dice is going to determine how much each one of these gets when I land on it. Okay, so everything is going to get 4. Everything is going to get 4 bills when I roll with these. So today it's just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and that is number 2. It is getting 4 bills. 2, 3, 4. That's number 4. It gets 4 bills. Number 3 gets 4 bills. Number 1 gets 4 bills. And I brought a little bit extra since I was doing it this way because, you know, what if I had rolled a 6 and I just brought my normal 30, 2, 3, 4. Could have been some trouble. Okay, so number 4 is getting those. And that is a 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. At 5 and 6 still haven't gotten anything though. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't plan that though, right? 2, 3, 4 for number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for number 1. Okay, and this one can get the last dollar that I have here. All right, and I'm going to just put these over here to the side just to keep this somewhat organized and see who all got what. While I get this all organized, I do have some savings challenges that will be linked below that you can follow along with the 10K challenge if you want. You can save as much or as little as you want, but small amounts do add up to big savings. And the only thing that matters is consistency. Get these counted and see how much everything is going to get. So this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 in here. This one got the 5. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 for this one. And these are worth $2 a piece. So I need to mark off 8, 6, 8. All right. I will just be putting these in my binder a little later for the sake of time. It'll need to be some huge long video. And that one, let me see, this challenge is by Doodle Dollars. So that was over on her Ko-Fi shop. I think I only had 1 5, right? Okay, in this challenge, Teacher Mom Budgets, they had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And each one is worth 1. And I love this, the color of money, green. That one is all about money, and this one got 4. So this was a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like one of these, I had to put an extra dollar somehow, didn't I? So this one got 4. And some more. Can y'all tell I was like thinking about food a little bit when I did this one, especially when I did this matcha challenge. Okay, this guacamole one. Okay, so I'm gonna have to just put this because this one you have to have $3 to save any. This challenge is by Cash and Calling. She's on YouTube and she has a Ko-Fi. Sure, next time it'll get something else. It'll get some love. 1, 2, 3, $4 for this. This is my matcha tea savings, and I saw these really pretty images, and I thought, wow. And then I just put them all on these challenges. All right. So we got off to a really good start. And I like this one too. I'm really liking matcha. I don't know. Let me know, what's your favorite drink? Let me know in the comments. Are you a coffee drinker or a tea drinker? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm almost done, isn't it? And these are very many Mondays. And just so you remember, I post these challenges every Monday. This challenge, and they will all be leading me towards getting to 1K. Well, I'm sorry, 10K. And I move the money over at the end of the month. I move the money over for all the completed challenges into my month ahead fund. And I do a whole video and everything with that. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, may your home and budget be filled with peace. See you in the next one.